Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Telegram connecting problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Telegram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode, just few seconds, and turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Telegram. Update Telegram app if available. Play Store. Go to Telegram. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.